Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which is one of the best and easiest to use no annual fee cards on the market. They currently have an increased sign-up offer, so if you're interested in the card, now might be a good time to apply. If you saw my review on the Chase Freedom Flex last week, you'll see that these cards are very similar, so make sure you pay close attention. Now, if this kind of content interests you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Alright, to start off, this card has no annual fee. As far as the current sign-up offer, you're going to earn $200 after spending $500 on the card in the first 3 months of account opening if you apply online. For a limited time, if you apply at a Chase branch, you'll earn $250 cash back after spending $500 in the first 3 months of account opening. As always, you can hit your spending requirements by using your Freedom Unlimited to pay for your normal household expenses. Things like cell phone bill, car insurance, gas, things that you typically use your debit card to pay for. Then use your checking account to immediately pay off your balance. You don't have to and shouldn't get into debt earning cash back, bonuses, or points. Now, the second part of this sign-up offer is that you're going to earn 5% cash back on all grocery store purchases in the first year of having a card on up to $12,000 in spend. 5% cash back on $12,000 of spend is $600 or 60,000 points. When you add up both bonuses, that means this card has the potential of earning $900 or 90,000 points as a sign-up offer, which is great for a card that has no annual fee. Now, let's take a look at the everyday cashback earnings on this card. You're going to earn 5% back on all travel purchase on the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% back on dining, including delivery services like DoorDash, and also at drugstores. And lastly, you're going to earn 1.5% back on everything else. And that's one of the key features with the Freedom Unlimited. The least amount of cash back you can earn on any purchase is 1.5%. If you look at these bonus categories, you'll find that most of your everyday spending is going to be on non-bonus categories. Most of the Freedom Unlimited's competitors' non-bonus spending category only earns 1% cash back. The Freedom Unlimited earns 1.5% cash back, and that can add up. For example, 1% cash back on $20,000 in spend will earn you $200 cash back. But putting all that spend on the Freedom Unlimited will earn you $300 cash back, because the least amount of cash back you can earn again is 1.5%. Another good thing is that you don't have to worry about rotating categories or things like that, which can be a little easier for some. Also, the cash back rewards on this card never expire. Now, just like the Freedom Flex, this is a cash back card, but your cash back can also be referred to as points. So for example, earning 5% cash back is the same thing as earning 5 points per dollar spent. Earning 3% cash back is the same thing as earning 3 points per dollar spent. And earning 1.5% cash back is the same thing as earning 1.5 points per dollar spent. So with that said, if you spend $100 on dining with this card, you earn 3% cash back or 300 points. Another example is that if you spend $100 on a non-bonus category with this card, you'll earn $1.50 cash back or 150 points. Get it? The same thing goes for when you redeem your points. Redeeming $50 is equal to redeeming 5,000 points. Redeeming $100 is equal to redeeming 10,000 points. And redeeming $500 is equal to redeeming 50,000 points. I understand. If you're new to this, it can be a little tricky to follow at first, but you'll get the hang of it. Now, speaking of redeeming your points, Chase has different ways you can do so. You can link your Freedom Unlimited card to your Amazon account and use your points through Amazon's Shop with Points program. You can redeem them for cash back, travel, gift cards, and also Apple purchases on the Ultimate Rewards portal. And lastly, Chase has added a feature called Pay Yourself Back. With this feature, you can redeem your points as a statement credit at a rate of 1.1 cents per point for dining purchases. The Pay Yourself Back feature is scheduled to end September 30th, 2021. However, it's rumored that this may become a permanent benefit. Now, here are some other benefits that come with the card. You're going to get a 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on purchases and balance transfers. After the 15-month period, a variable APR of 14.99% to 23.74% will apply. The card also has good protections and insurances as well. You're going to get purchase protection, zero liability protection, extended warranty protection, 24/7 fraud protection, auto rental collision damage waiver, and also trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance. The car also has a few temporary partnered benefits. You're going to get a complimentary 3 months of Dash Pass, DoorDash's subscription service that provides unlimited deliveries for a $0 delivery fee on eligible orders over $12. After that, you're automatically enrolled in a Dash Pass at 50% off for the next 9 months. In order to take advantage of this, you must activate by December 31st, 2021. And last but not least, you're going to earn 5% cash back on Lyft rides through March 2022. Now, if you're interested in this card, there are a few things you need to know before you apply. First, if you apply for the Freedom Unlimited card and you already have one, you'll automatically be denied. Also, this card is subject to Chase's 524 rule, meaning that you'll automatically be denied for the card if you've opened 5 or more cards from any issuer over the past 24 months. Lastly, this is a travel channel, so it's important to know that this card does have a 3% foreign transaction fee, so it's not the card you want to use when traveling internationally. So, who do I think this card is for? I think this card is for anybody who's looking for a simple, no annual fee, cashback / travel rewards card. It has solid protections and insurances, good cashback earning potential, and it's going to guarantee that you earn more than 1% on every purchase. The card is even better when you pair it with either the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, because you can transfer your cashback points over to one of those cards and redeem your points for 25 to 50% more when redeemed for travel on the Ultimate Reward travel portal. Or transfer your points over to one of Chase's many airline and hotel transfer partners. I'll link my review videos of the Sapphire cards in the description box below. Also, if you would like at least 2 free stocks, you can sign up for Robinhood or Webull using the links in the description box below as well. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.